Welcome to the review of the ProBit exchange. In the upper right corner of the site, you can find the change of language from the proposed list. To start working with the exchange, you need to register. Pay attention to the complexity of the password. It must contain upper and lowercase characters, as well as numbers and special character. The password for confirmation of registration is sent to the mail. If the password did not come within 2 minutes, press the resend button. After registration, we need to log in. In this window, you can set up two-factor authentication, by authenticator application or by phone number to choose from. Follow the link and download the authentication app for your device. Read the step-by-step instructions carefully. The QR code must be scanned in the installed application. Be sure to save yourself the access recovery code. You can link your account by phone number. Select a code from the list and enter the phone number. You will receive an SMS with a code, as well as a code by mail. You can skip this step, but remember that you work in finance and you need to protect yourself. Let's look at the exchange's personal account. On this page you can be verified on the exchange. This is necessary for a turnover of more than 10 Bitcoin. Set up two-factor authentication if you skip this step during registration. You can enable sending messages to mail and SMS. If you know how to work with API, all data is located here. All of your active sessions and IP addresses are visible in this field. Let's move on to depositing and withdrawing funds. Since we are trading Prizm with USDT, let's take a look at them. You can quickly find any cryptocurrency on the given list and click on deposit or withdraw. Or separately go to the desired tab and work with it. Be sure to read the note for each cryptocurrency. Everyone has different conditions for deposit and withdrawal. Please note that a comment on the transfer is required for the Prizm deposit. In case of its absence, coins may not be credited. If you forgot a comment on the transfer, write to the technical support of the exchange. You can copy the address manually, or use the cold wallet QR code. When withdrawing funds, pay attention to the minimum withdrawal amount and the exchange commission. You can choose in which cryptocurrency to pay commission for your USDT withdrawal. This is convenient and may be beneficial to you depending on the situation. Let's look at the trading panel of the exchange. In this panel, you can select the trading pair you are interested in and add it to your favorites. You can follow the trades according to the standard tabular chart or customize it for yourself. The chart settings are identical on many exchanges, so you won't have any problems. At the top are orders to sell coins. Below are the orders to buy coins. Next to them, we see information about recently closed deals. The creation of buy or sell orders is standard. It is indicated which cryptocurrency you give and which you receive. Therefore, even a beginner will not be able to get confused. You can see the history of your orders, cancel current ones, or track executed ones. This window shows your balance of all cryptocurrencies. Above the chart, you can find statistics for this trading pair. By clicking the Layout button, you can customize the trading panel. Select the location of the sidebar with trading pairs. Then select the location of the remaining blocks on the screen. And also you can choose the color of the background and buttons. You can customize everything for yourself as you like. All settings data is saved in your browser. Consider this when changing your device. There are buttons on the orders panel to display the trading volume. This is useful for understanding overall supply and demand. Thanks for attention. Come to the ProBit exchange.